Hi everyone, welcome to MasterChef Mom. Today I'm going to share a super delicious snack that everybody loves. It is Aloo Tikki, and I'll show you how to make it quickly and easily. Come. So the first step is we are going to boil the potatoes. Here I'm going to share a secret tip. The thing is, when you're boiling potatoes, boil with very less water. Okay, this way when you're frying the aloo tikki, it will take very less oil. Red chili powder, amchur powder, salt, corn flour. The corn flour quantity you can reduce according to the aloo. So I shared one tip with you, right? To boil aloo with less water. If you do that, then the amount of corn flour that you are using, you can adjust accordingly. If your potato is wet, you can add more corn flour. So we're going to mix this all well. So our potato mixture is done. Now we are going to divide this into two halves. In one, we are going to add all the ingredients for filling, and one is for the outer cover. So for the filling, first I am going to crush garlic and ginger. Ginger, garlic, green chili. Adding the ginger, garlic and green chili mixture, coriander leaves, mint leaves. I finely chopped them, cashew nuts. So now I am going to grease my hands and let's shape the tikkis. Roll it like this, and just how you make paratha, like that, with your thumb, make this impression like this. Then we are going to place our filling inside. Then we are going to cover it up and shape your tikkis. See, we are going to shape the tikkis like this. So I am going to shallow fry the tikkis now. So you can either use ghee or oil. Ghee gives the amazing taste to this tikkis. So let this fry nicely on one side. We are not going to disturb it for at least 3 to 4 minutes. Let it fry nicely and form a layer. Then we will flip and fry the other side. Delicious aloo tikki is now ready. You can serve it as is or you can serve it as chaat. Aloo tikkis look gorgeous. Raghu, how is the chaat, aloo tikki chaat?
Looks beautiful.
Taste and
This is normally the first item I order whenever we go to a hotel. Awesome, Uma. You also taste.
Spice and salt and everything.
Perfect.
Yeah, so you saw how easy it is to make the aloo tikkis. Do try it out. In fact, you can place this between bun and you can give your kids as aloo tikki burger. They will simply love it. A great lunchbox recipe too. Try it out for your family and share your feedback with me. I'll see you soon with another delicious recipe. Till then, happy cooking.